Hello students, good morning everyone. I hope you all studied yesterday and you all remember everything of your previous class study. Yesterday I taught you about the numbers. In that we are studying number names, numeral form, largest number, smallest number, and so on. Let's today we have to study more topics about the numbers. First, we have to study how to distribute the numbers in their groups. After that, we have to study place value in numbers. Then we have to study place value in words, then face value. Please, all of you remember everything about the numbers because with the help of these all topics, we have to solve many puzzles in our further study. Do you know students how we can distribute the numbers according to their places, according to their groups? What are the places? What are the groups? Let us see. Here I am giving one table to you. In one side the number is there, on another side some groups are there. Groups like hundreds, tens, ones. If you don't want to write down the whole spelling of hundreds, tens, ones, instead of that we can write down capital H, capital T and capital O. Here one side I am giving some numbers to you. Do you see anything similar in this number? Just see. Here in these all numbers I am using the same digits, but the number names of these all numbers are different. According to their numerals, the number name for the first one is 349, then 439, then 493, then 943, then 934. Here the number names of all these numbers are different. So can we say that according to their places, their groups, the answers is also different? Let us see here. First number is 349. 349. 3 in the place of hundreds. That's why we have to put in the hundreds column 3. Now 4 in the place of tens. That's why in the 4 in the tens place we have to put 4, and in the 9 we have to put on the ones place. Now your another number is 439. Here 4 in the place of hundreds, that's why in the hundreds column we have to put 4. Now 3 in the place of tens, that's why in the tens column we have to put 3, and 9 in the place of ones, that's why we have to put 9 in the ones column. Now another number is 493. 493. Now see here 4 in the place of hundreds, that's why we have to put 4 in the place of hundreds, 9 in the place of tens and 3 in the place of ones. Your next number is 943. So 9 in the place of hundreds, that's why we have to put 9 in the hundreds column. 4 in the place of tens, that's why we have to put 4 in the place of in the column of tens, and 3 in the place of ones. Your last number is 934. So 9 again in the place of hundreds, 3 in the place of tens, and 4 in the place of ones. Do you see any similarities in this? The only similarities is that all the digits are same. Using these digits, I am making all numbers different. According to the number name, their groups, their places are also different. In above table, all digits are same. Only the digits are same. Now what is called the digit? A single number numeral form is known as digit. Okay. So here in this all numbers, the digits are same. But not the numbers, but the numeral form is different from one number to another number. So their places are also different. Just see here, the digits are same in this all, but the places are different from one another. Now the places are depends on the numeral form of that number. So the places are depends on the numeral form. Numeral form means what? The number. So the places are all depends on the numbers. Where which number we have to write down on the hundreds place, which number we write down in the tens place, and which number we write down on the ones place.